So my friend here, he wants to shave this off. Just keep 2 inches of the top, which is I'm gonna cut all the ponytails off, and we're gonna do like mid taper on the sides. He wants to try the mid taper, but in this case, actually, I will. Do you like to keep the thickness here? You want to grow it, or you want to cut it short?
I think I want to grow it a little bit.
You want to grow it? Okay, yeah, it's a good decision, actually. But I can't change the look right now. It will stay undercut. I will keep about this much off.
Yeah.
That's what you want to do, and mid taper on the sides. Okay, let's do it. Ready?
Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah.
Awesome. I'll keep your hair actually. Maybe, you know, like there's some organization, I'll send it to them. Maybe they do it like sort of, you know, like for the kids' hair or stuff like that, you know. For mid taper, well, first things we do, we're gonna set the guideline here on the middle. Same thing from the back. Next step, you get your shaver, and you shave just before the end of the 00. Next, you get your clipper. You open the clipper, and you just jump 1 centimeter. I'll show you how I close the clipper now, and I will try to get rid of this line straight away. But what are you gonna use? You're gonna use the corner of the clipper. Don't use it like, you know, like the full blade, just the corner of the clipper. And I would recommend to use the bottom one, not the top one. In this case, you will manage, you remove the guideline easier to match it with the half. Next step, you get your number 1.5 level open, and you jump about 1 centimeter also. Next, number 1 level open, and you just like jump like to the end, but before the number 2, before the end of the number 2. You just flick your clipper always. Now, if you can see this guideline, this difference between the thickness, how we're gonna remove it? Number half level open, and you just like hit only on this line. Now, to match between your fade and the top, I'm gonna use number 2 level open, and I will just flick the clipper here just to match between my fade and the top, because I don't want to touch anything from the top sides. You want to clean this part?
Yeah.
Now we get to the back, actually, same thing. I'll use my shaver. Next step, clipper level open, and you cut 1 inch. Same thing, you close the clipper and use only the corner of the clipper. Now we jump to number 1.5 level open, only 1 inch, and you flick the clipper to the out. Number 1 level open, and just before the end of the number 2. Half level open, and just to this line, hit this line, don't go too much. Now I finished the fade. Now I want to match between my fade and the top sides. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use number 2, level open, and I will flick the clipper just on this guideline. See, flick the clipper out. Happy? Happy. Where's your thumbs up? That's the final of the haircut. Like my friend here, I think he wear glasses.
Yeah.
So he wear glasses, like a bit of like glasses effect. That's alright. Fade nice, natural. No filters. No photoshops.
Like when I shave the hair, if I donate it or not, I will try my best. I think, like my friend here, he has like enough hair because they have like condition, but it has to be like 25 centimeter or less. It has to be dry, it has to be like nice hair. It's alright, it's good. I think they're like this one's. It's like more than enough. So I think they're like it's like meet the requirements. So I'll try my best to send it to some organization like for weeks or kids or something like that. We'll see you next time.
First choice barber.